Hello, seventh grade. How are you? I hope that all of you are okay today. So, our lesson today is going to explain and discuss more about comparative and superlative. Let us make a quick revision about the last videos. We talked about comparative and superlative, and we defined comparative to compare between two things or two people, superlative to compare between one thing and two or more using short adjective. Okay, and also we talked about short adjective and long adjective. So today inshallah we're going to make focus or highlight on the rule of comparative and superlative. So as you see here, how to use comparative, كيف بستعمل comparative to use adjective plus er if is it short what إذا كان short adjective plus er plus than, and if the adjective was long adjective it will be more plus adjective plus than. Okay, this is the rule. Superlative, the same thing, but in this case I use the adjective plus est, the tallest. Amy is the tallest. And if we have long adjective, we use the most. Look to this example. Jack is more beautiful than his brother. Jack is more beautiful than his brother. So, we use Jack and his brother. So, this is comparative. And I look to the long adjective. So, I use more plus than. Crocodile are the most dangerous reptile. crocodile اللي هم التماسيح, reptile الزواحف, أخطر أنواع الزواحف. So this is crocodile and I compare it with reptiles, جميع الزواحف. In this case I use what? Superlative. Okay? Yes. Now be careful about this note. Some adjectives we call them what? Irregular adjective. So adjective we don't add er or est في حالة الcomparative والsuperlative we change them all to a new words like good, جيد, better than. في الcomparative الgood بدها تصير better. Okay, bad تصير worse than. So you have to memorize them. هدول يا مس حفظ. Okay, another note you have to be careful about when you compare two items if they are the same use. Now إذا انتبهتوا بالفيديو أو بالأمثلة اللي فوق كان في عندي تفاوت. Jack is more beautiful. Crocodile are the most dangerous. في درجة المقارنة هناك من هو أعلى من الآخر. But in this case في حال كانوا equal to each other, متساويين. A things or a person which I want to compare them they are the same, بنفس درجة الجمال, نفس درجة الذكاء, whatever. Okay, بنفس الدرجة. So in this case I use as adjective as. How? For example, Jack is as clever as Bill. So Jack equal to cleverness to Bill, مساوي لبيل بالذكاء. Okay? Yes, another example. My car is as expensive as yours. So I use as expensive as. So my car and yours cars are the same price, نفس السعر. Okay, if they aren't or they are different إذا كانوا مختلفين and I want to use as plus adjective and as, so I put not at the beginning of as. So they aren't as intelligent as their sister. Cycling isn't as dangerous as mountain climbing. My exam wasn't as easy as yours. You have to know من هذا التمرين لازم تعرف إنه الas لما we have two as we put what adjective بدون أي تغيير بنحط الadjective. Okay, now after I explain the lesson I want you to try to answer this question. Let's start. Now, question number 1. As you see here, okay, so I'm sorry, the computer or this computer is space than your computer. So here it is, comparative or superlative. We have two things and the adjective new. So then I ask, new, short adjective or long adjective? Try to change the word in the space. His car is space fast in the race. Now let me answer this one. راح أجاوبها عشان أساعدكم تكملوا على نفس النمط. His car, this is number 1. In the race, one car with others. So it is superlative. لما باجي أحل راح أحل is the fastest. Okay, next. Lisa is old than. مجرد ما تشوفي than you have to know it's what comparative صح؟ yes. مجرد ما تشوفي يا miss than it's comparative. Yes, this is the space interesting book in the library. Snails are space slow animals. قارنت السنيلز بالانيمالز واحد مع كل. What is the space dangerous animal in the world? أخطر حيوان في العالم. Summer is space time of the year. Comic book are space funny than. مادام شفت than على طول comparative يعني يا راح أضيف er or more. Be careful at the end إذا انتهت بواي. This road is wide in the country. الرود قارنته بجميع طرق الكاونتري. New York is exciting than California. مدام عندي than أكيد راح أستعمل comparative more or er حسب short adjective or long adjective. So next question. Rewrite the sentences. Use not as adjective as. Okay. Now here it is. You have to find what? Two names. Isabella and Katrina. هدول الأسماء اللي بدي أبلش أقارنهم. And you have to use as. Where is the adjective? Adjective بس بدون er. Rich. As. Yes. Now Isabella is richer than Katrina. So Katrina isn't إذا بدي أعملها رح تكون Katrina isn't as rich as Isabella. Okay, depend on the meaning. اعتمدوا على المعنى بالحل. Salt and sugar are cheap. Both of them are cheap. Salt والsugar. So بقدر أحكي salt as or is as cheap as sugar. نفس رخص السكر. Anna and Sally are very intelligent girls. So both of them are intelligent. Anna is as intelligent as Sally. Peter is luckier than John. So نحكي John isn't as lucky as Peter. So try to find it and answer it. Then answer me the question. راح يكون يا مس عليهم plus 2 marks على الإجابات. Thank you. Bye bye.